We rented this Rug Doctor Pro carpet cleaner from Home Depot for $40.99. The rental cost was $33 for the day, and to that they added a damage insurance fee of $4.95 and sales tax for $2 something. If you are considering renting this machine but aren't sure how to use it, this is a quick how-to video that will show you how to set up and use this Rug Doctor Pro carpet cleaner from Home Depot. The Rug Doctor also comes with an upholstery attachment, which we will go over in another video. This machine has 2 tanks. The lower blue tank is for your fresh hot water and detergent, and the white upper tank is where the dirty wastewater goes after it's been sprayed into and then sucked back up out of your carpet. For the detergent, we had some great results with Folex's Instant Spot Remover when we used it to clean our car interiors, so we bought some more. I like it because it's a no-rinse detergent, which I think makes things much easier. Rug Doctor does have their own soap. They probably prefer you use that, but we just didn't. The first thing you want to do is plug in the carpet cleaner. They give you plenty of power cord to work with, and it has a standard 3-prong grounded type of plug, so be sure you have the right outlet before you go ahead and rent this machine. I think most people have those kind of outlets, but if you have an older house, maybe you don't. Once you plug it in, I recommend putting down a tarp or a roll of plastic sheeting like we did here. We really didn't have too much of an issue with splashing, mostly just us spilling some water while we were trying to pour it into the machine, but better safe than sorry. Next, you want to place your rug on top of the plastic or the tarp and vacuum it up as well as you can. Try to get all the pet hair and the Cheeto crumbs out of there before you start using the carpet cleaner. Once you've done that, you have to remove the upper white tank to be able to pour the water and the detergent into the lower blue tank. It's fairly simple to do. You just pull down this black metal handle. They call it the retaining wire. So you pull that down and towards the front, flip up that clear dome up top, and pull the upper white tank out and away from the carpet cleaner. And then there you see the opening for the lower blue tank, and that's where you put your clean hot tap water and detergent. Folex recommends 3.5 gallons of water and 1 to 1 1/4 cup of detergent. And the tank of this carpet cleaner holds 3.7 gallons of water, so it works out great. So we tried to do that. We didn't measure things exactly, so I don't think that hurt us at all. Once you've got your hot tap water and your detergent all ready, you just go ahead and pour it into the blue tank like you see here. And then you replace that upper white tank, flip that clear dome back down and set it into place, and then lift that retaining wire back on up over it to secure everything. It should be a tight fit once that handle is back up. So then you want to get the carpet cleaner into position and turn on the power. The power button is located on the big blue panel that's right above where that clear dome is. It says right on the panel that you flip the power button up for carpet cleaning and down if you're using the upholstery attachment. So we're cleaning a carpet here, so we flipped it up. And then right behind the handle that you move the carpet cleaner with, there's this big red square button. When you press that button is what makes the carpet cleaner spray the sudsy clean water into your carpet. When you're not pressing that button, there's no water going down into your carpet, and the machine is just acting like a vacuum cleaner at that point. It's sucking up the water, but it's not putting any clean water down. So you might want to spray water first and then go back and suck it up, however you want to do it. But that red button is the key to getting the clean, sudsy water into your rug. So as you're pressing the red button, you should also start moving the carpet cleaner slowly. Rug Doctor recommends moving the machine 1 foot per second for a lightly soiled carpet and 1 foot per 2 seconds for a dirtier one. Now, this rug is 8 years old, and we've never cleaned it. So we went even a bit slower than that. We kept cleaning the carpet until the clean water tank was empty. And when we emptied it, into the sink. As you can see, the water was quite dirty, so we didn't feel good about just ending the process there, so we redid everything a second time. And this is the rug after we finished. I know it's kind of hard to tell with a patterned rug like this, but we were really happy with how great it came out. It looked much cleaner to us. I hope this video helps you. It can look a little overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, using this Rug Doctor is quite easy. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to leave any questions down below in the comment section. I will try to answer you right away. Also, please like and subscribe if you felt this video was helpful. See you next time.